OFC Commercial Carpet was established in 2003 and specialized in design, manufacturing, marketing of commercial carpet tile, with headquarters located in Wuxi City, Jiangsu Province, 2 hours driving from Shanghai. OFC has 2 production sites and 1 logistics center and owns 18 branch companies in different Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities in China. To serve domestic and international customers, OFC has established R&D center and a marketing studio in both Wuxi and Shanghai. In global market, OFC has supplied to Europe, North America, and APAC, including countries like US, Canada, Australia, Germany, and Japan. In order to meet different demand of different countries, OFC offers not only OEM production, but tailor-made products of customization and installment solution service. The main production of OFC is tufted modular carpet tile, and it covers product range from elementary level product to luxury sophisticated items. The carpet tile OFC production is suitable for office, department store, hotel, airport, and other end applications. Designed with abundant selection of color and pattern, OFC will satisfy all kinds of complicated requirements on flooring material driven by various types of designers. And the flexible commercial terms also support various kinds of business mode, including wholesales, agent, and project contractor. OFC Commercial Carpet owns complete production process and testing facilities, including over 40 tufting machines, 2 automatic pre-coating lines, and 5 backing lines, covering from bitumen, PVC, PE, to cushion backing. As production capacity leader in China carpet tile industry, OFC is able to respond and react to any customer demand in timely manner. Composed of 292 diligent employees, OFC Commercial Carpet sincerely welcomes you to visit our factory in Wuxi, China in near future.
Hello everyone, my name is Jerry Hu, Marketing Director of OFC Commercial Carpet. I feel very excited today to guide you around our facility. This is one of our facility, covers 36,000 square meters. We will guide you the whole process of how to make a modular carpet tile. Marketing Director of OFC Commercial Carpet. I'm very glad today to tour you around our facility to let you understand how we manufacture our carpet from raw material to the carpet tile. This is our tufting workshop, and this is our high-speed tufting machine, Cobalt Sprint. We imported from UK, high-speed tufting machine. And I will show you another Japan imported tufting machine over there. This one, MIC, we imported from Japan. It's a multi-color jacquard tufting machine. You can show you some details. So we can handle very complicated patterns for different customers to tailor-make their demand. Pre-coating line is one of the most critical steps during the carpet manufacturing process. Now I'm going to show you around how we use such long computer automated control system to secure the very good pre-coating result. EVA is very important ingredient. We use a lot of Stellantis manufactured EVA. EVA plays a role to bond the carpet surface with the primary backing. So in the end, a good bonding strength will be formed after this pre-coating process. And after this, you will see a 28-meter long length oven. So after this oven process, all this great carpet will be well manufactured and follow to the next step, backing. So after the oven process, all the pre-coat carpet will arrive at the recoil process. So during the recoiling, we will do some online testing, like tough bind testing. So I'm here to introduce our engineer, Mr. Tang, to show you how to test our tough bind. So pull strength, we use a needle. So after pre-coat, we need to understand how the tough bind, the parameter works. So this is a good. Okay. Yeah. Here we are at our PVC backing line. Well, after we finish our pre-coated carpet, we feed that carpet into the beginning, and after that, we will add the glass fleece. The objective of adding this is to increase the general dimensional stability of total carpet after completion. So once we add the glass fleece, we will apply the PVC in this huge feeder machine. You can take a closer look. So during this process, glass fleece, PVC, and our pre-coat carpet will be laminated. So laminated, but enter this oven. Once it enters the oven, hot temperature will be applied here in order to give it better lamination. So very, very high temperature. So once they get out of the oven, we need to think about how to cool it down, by wind or by water. So in order to relax our carpet, to avoid any quality issue in the future. So this is also very important cooling down process. So when they get out from this cooling down process, so all this carpet will be relaxed again. This is still the cooling, water cooling. After water cooling, it will enter the relax. To make the carpet restore its original physical performance. Then the last process is our punching. So we will punch our carpet based on the specification. You can take a closer look, either in square or in plunket. Now we are entering our one of the most important department of designing. Designing department will offer our carpet tile more aesthetic value, be more creative and innovative. Now I'm going to introduce you with our chief designer, Mr. Wang. So Mr. Wang can introduce you how we design our carpet tile, how we offer the solution. 您可以介绍一下我们是如何进行设计和向客户提交方案的。And we have two design centers in CBD, Shanghai and Wuxi. And these two departments are mainly focused on customer service, which provide a total solution of flooring material. And my design department is different from them. We'll take in charge of design, development of sample, and focus on the technique and technology. And we provide our very fast response of making samples, and we have several one-to-one sampling machine and import a M-Tuft machine from Australia. And this M-Tuft machine is able to make a complicated sample like multicolor jacquard carpet. And this is the sample on my hands is manufactured by the M-Tuft. So it can create very good resolution sample compared to customer sample. Now I can show you around our M-Tuft machine in our laboratory. Okay. How to manufacture better sample for our customers is very important. We own a completely new M-Tuft 2 sample machine, which can manufacture sample as real as possible, can give customer the fastest response to let them feel how their prototype sample feel like. Now we are entering our lab where most critical testing are performed here. I will introduce you to our chief engineer, Mr. Wang. Mr. Wang will give you the full introduction of how we perform the testing. In the production processing, we strictly control each key point of quality management and irregular quality inspection. Make sure every and each part of factory is in correct operation. We will testing the puller strengths, angles, and we are also in cooperation with third-party laboratory to perform any other environmental related testing. This is the testing for the angle. I would like to wrap it up our virtual tour right now. So I sincerely expect OFC commercial carpet leave good impression for you. I also expect our factory might supply the service and good quality products to you, to your company. I'm looking forward to meeting you in near future in Wuxi, in here. Thank you very much.